Welcome to this grounding meditation. Today, we will connect deeply with the nurturing energy of Mother Earth, allowing her energy to flow through us like a gentle, life-giving warm current. As we move through this meditation, we'll guide the energy from Mother Earth, letting it fill our bodies slowly and completely. You are invited to give this flowing energy a color that resonates with you. It might be red, orange, yellow, or purple. But for today, let's focus on red or orange, colors that symbolize grounding, stability, and the life force within you. Take your time with this process, feeling every sensation in your body as you become grounded and supported by Mother Earth. There's no rush, and whether you feel a lot or very little, it's perfectly okay. Just allow yourself to be in this moment, observing how your body and energy shift naturally. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, making sure your feet are placed flat on the ground, uncrossed, so the soles of your feet connect fully with Mother Earth. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension you're holding. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, turn your focus to the soles of your feet. Imagine that from your foot chakras, beautiful strong roots begin to grow. These roots slowly emerge from the soles of your feet, stretching down toward Mother Earth. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Visualize these roots digging into the soil, growing deeper and deeper with every breath. As they extend, they become thick, vibrant, and full of life, penetrating the rich earth beneath you. These roots are anchoring you, connecting you with the nourishing energy of Mother Earth. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As these roots continue to grow and spread, feel them reaching deeper into Mother Earth. They move past the surface layers, digging into her heart. You are becoming more grounded with each passing moment. Now, feel a warm current of energy from Mother Earth flowing up through these roots and into your foot chakras. This flowing energy rises gently like a stream of light, and you can choose the color of this energy, perhaps a deep red, symbolizing strength and grounding, or a vibrant orange, representing warmth and vitality. Whatever color feels right for you, let this warm current begin to flow slowly into your feet. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Visualize this flowing energy as a soft, glowing warmth, slowly filling up from the base of your feet. It's like water being poured into an upside-down bottle, gradually rising inside your body. Allow yourself to feel the warm current as it moves into your feet. You might feel warmth, a tingling sensation, or simply a subtle shift in energy. How does it feel? Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take a moment to notice any sensations in your feet as they fill up with this grounding energy from Mother Earth. If you don't feel anything yet, that's okay. Just allow the energy to flow naturally, knowing that the process is happening. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, imagine this flowing energy beginning to fill your toes, slowly and gently. One by one, your toes are filled with this warm, nurturing energy from Mother Earth. Do your toes feel different now? Do you notice any sensations? Allow your awareness to stay with this process, without judgment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Next, the energy flows to the tops of your feet, moving like a slow, steady stream. It begins to fill your entire foot, covering every part with its warmth. Let this warm current flow upwards, slowly and gently. What do you notice as your feet fill with energy? Does the sensation change, or does it stay the same? Either way, it's perfect. Just observe and let it be. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, feel the energy reaching your ankles, wrapping around them, flowing like water filling a container. The warmth spreads up from your feet and into your ankles. Do you feel a shift here? The energy continues to rise, filling your lower legs, slowly reaching up toward your calves. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, imagine this flowing energy rising higher, like water filling a vessel. It moves up toward your knees, filling the space around them. Stay present with this sensation. How do your knees feel as they become filled with this grounding, nurturing energy from Mother Earth? Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. The energy continues its slow journey upward, filling your thighs. As it rises, feel your legs becoming more connected to Mother Earth, heavier, more grounded. This flowing energy is gentle but powerful, moving through every muscle, every cell. How do your upper legs feel as this energy moves through them? Is there warmth, a tingling, or perhaps just a sense of calm? Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now the energy reaches your hips and your sacral chakra just below your belly button. Feel the warm current pooling here, filling this energy center with warmth, creativity, and life force. This energy, coming from deep within Mother Earth, is connecting you to your physical body and to her nurturing power. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take a moment to rest in this sensation. How do you feel? Has the energy brought any changes to your body? There is no need to rush or force anything. Simply allow this grounding energy from Mother Earth to continue to fill and support you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now that the energy has reached your sacral chakra, imagine a pipe extending from this area, moving down deep into Mother Earth. This pipe connects you to her fiery core, a ball of glowing red energy. This fire represents the grounding force of Mother Earth and the creative power within you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As the flowing energy from Mother Earth continues to fill your body, imagine it flowing down through the pipe and returning to her. It creates a cycle. The energy moves up through your body, from your feet to your sacral chakra, and then flows down again through your feet and into Mother Earth. Feel this cycle of energy moving gently and naturally, creating a constant flow of grounding, stabilizing force. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you continue to breathe, feel this flowing energy, this warm current moving effortlessly through you. It is washing away anything that no longer serves you, any tension or stagnant energy, and returning it to Mother Earth to be transformed. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now, as we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to bring your awareness to your heart. Allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude for Mother Earth, for her unwavering support and nurturing energy. Feel the love and warmth in your heart for her, and let that feeling expand. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow that gratitude to fill your entire being. Mother Earth has grounded you, nurtured you, and helped you release what no longer serves you. In this moment, you are held in her love. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes when you're ready, carrying this feeling of gratitude and love for Mother Earth with you throughout your day. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.